Welcome to this summer morning routine. It is July 2025, and I wanted to share what mornings currently look like as a mom of 3 with 2 new puppies and a cat back in Ohio. I've been waking up around 6 o'clock in the morning when the sun rises. That seems to be the natural wake-up time for the puppies, and I have to get them outside right away so that they don't have an accident.
All right, good girl. Let's go potty. Treats. Come on. Treats. They love these treats right now. So cute. They're like little hearts. All right, you want your treat? Good girls. Go potty outside. Good girls.
Then I'll make sure that they have their breakfast. And I make sure that our 2-year-old cat, Kailua, also gets her breakfast and some extra cuddles so that she doesn't feel left out, since the puppies are getting a lot of attention at the moment. Then I will take my vitamins and drink my Magna to start my day with some extra hydration and nutrients.
I try to keep them separate just because they will eat all of Kailua's food too, and I'm trying to help her out.
Our puppies are about 10 weeks old, and potty training has been going pretty well. There are still some occasional accidents, but I did get these bells that I'm training them to ring every time they have to go potty, just to help everyone in the house know when they have to go out.
Potty. Good girl, Coco. Good girl. Coco is like such a brat. Just like sit and not want to go anywhere after she goes. Go potty, Puka. Good girl, Puka. Good girl, Puka Poo. All right, let's go get you your treats. Kailua's waiting for us. Hi. Girls are back in their little pen. Kailua's babysitting. I'm so tired today. I was up so late editing.
And I had to get ready fast because I had to pick up the kids early because their dad had an early morning work meeting.
I'm running out of time, so I just threw on hat, earrings, lip gloss, and I gotta go get the kids from their dads. Remind me to water my plant when I get home. Yesterday evening's all a mess, and I know you're still in town. So there was a secret menu alert on the Starbucks app, so I'm trying this for the first time. It says it's brown sugar, shaken espresso with vanilla sweet cream or white chocolate. I think it's like a pump of white chocolate and vanilla cream. I'm the worst at this. All right, let's give it a try. Ooh, it's a little sweeter than my norm, but it does taste good. There's your puppies. Somebody better take them outside. I love you. Aw, did you miss your puppies? Oh, yeah. Aw. Yeah, go check your chore chart. See whose turn is to brush.
Okay, so I brush the dogs, feed the pets, clean my room as always, and make my bed as always. I have to brush Kailua, do her litter box, clean my room, and make my bed.
All right, show me if you check off your chores. So this one says, make bed. Is your bed made?
Yes.
Okay, come here. Push the button then. Right there. Good. And then this one says clean up room. Is your room clean?
Yes.
All right, push that button then right there. That one. Yep. Good, Hayden.
Oh, it's gonna be a good day when I see you coming down the road. Oh, it's gonna be a good day on the highway of my bleeding soul. Oh, it's gonna be a good day.
I know as a mom, the mornings can go by in such a blur. Like you don't even have a chance for yourself to even get ready some days. Like I couldn't even get ready until after I got everything else taken care of this morning. And I never feel truly ready until I put on my perfume for the day. I think it's just that little piece of my self-care ritual that's just so uplifting and makes me feel good and puts me in such a good mood. And that's where a service like Scentbird comes in handy. They offer a monthly subscription that lets you explore over 900 authentic designer and niche fragrances. Each month you receive an 8 milliliter vial that has 120 sprays, so it gives you plenty of time to test out the fragrance in different situations and see how you like it. This month I have been trying Tamine Center Stage. I've been trying Airplane Mode by Memoir, Free Yourself Air, and Heist. And today I'm using Airplane Mode. I love all the scents that I got this month, but this one is my favorite of the 4. And here's a little trick I learned for when you put on your perfume. I do a little squirt on your wrist, let it dry for a few seconds, and then press your wrists together. And then if you want, you can like dab it around your outfit that you're wearing. And you never want to rub, you just want to do dabs. And then a little trick, spray, a little spray on your hairbrush. Give it a little run through your hair. And then you have that like soft, subtle, sweet scent in your hair while you're running around chasing your kids or puppies or doing your errands for the day. I know it might seem like such a small little thing, but it just makes me so happy. It makes me feel like me, it makes me feel put together. Even on these days when I'm so busy between the kids and the puppies and the cat and work, no heavy perfume. It just gives me that confidence that lasts from the morning until bedtime. And if you want to try Scentbird, there's actually 55% off of your first month. Just use the code Brianna K when you check out or scan this QR code that I have here on the screen. You get to try your first fragrance from Scentbird for only $8, and then the next month it will be just $16.95, which is a steal if you look up the price of a lot of these designer fragrances. So if you've been waiting for a scent that feels like a pick-me-up, be sure to use my code Brianna K when you check out or scan this QR code on my screen for 55% off of your first month at Scentbird. And let me know what scent becomes your favorite when you try these. I know I've already got a couple set aside for next month picks, but I want to know which ones you love too. Right now that I feel put together, we will continue this morning routine.
Hayden, are you being a kitty?
The kids have been such great helpers with the new puppies.
When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when
And every morning, just to help with the crazy amount of laundry that we have every day, I'll try to do at least one load of laundry if we're hanging around the house.
stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires around ourselves. It's
And Prezi had dance on this day, so needed to get her dressed and get her hair up.
I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
I think I like this one because it's blocked like my puppy, and I got my reputation bracelet because I love Taylor Swift.
And the kids do help a lot around the house. I love having their chores on the skylight calendar. It makes it so easy for them to know what they can help with and motivates them to get it all done.
Would you be 'cause we're scared of the silence?
And I usually have dishes to do, and I like to do a quick clean and tidy up of the kitchen so that it is nice and clean for the day ahead.
And I've been putting a little box together to make a car sort of emergency kit with a bunch of stuff. I ordered some things though, but I'm still waiting on everything to come. So when it all gets here, I will put it together and probably share that in a upcoming video. But it was kind of fun thinking of like, okay, what can I do for the new car? And just a quick reminder about my Scentbird link. You can either scan the QR code that I'll have here on the screen or use the link down in my description box below. Girls are having nap time.
But they don't really get it.
Yes, they do.
Well, they do.
If you guys stay quiet, they'll go to sleep.
Thank you so much for watching this summer morning routine. I know it will be changing soon when the kids go back to school next month, so I will post an update then. See you soon. Bye, loves.